Good morning from giliT again. We are currently waiting for our boat because today we're going to do one of the things that people do here when they come here in giliT, and that is a snorkeling trip. Our snorkeling trip is a little bit short though. We are actually short on time. The first agreement was that we were gonna snorkel in the morning and check out of the hotel, and then take the ride back at the afternoon. But the issue with that is the boat in the afternoon takes 4 to 5 hours because it comes from giliT, it goes to Gili Meno, Gili Air, and then it goes to Sanur Port. No, Nusapenida, and then it goes to Sanur. So it goes to so many islands, and then, you know, people have to get off, people have to get on, and yeah, it's not really a good thing for us, at least, because we hate a lot of times, especially when you're in a traveling or vacation mode where you don't really have a lot of time. So anyways, we agreed with one of the captains here in Mamo, right there, Mamo, this one in front of the in front of the Mamo building. It's Mamo right here. So if you guys are in giliT, you know, you need a snorkeling, you need like a ticket basically to different islands, and also the number one thing, subway, which we did yesterday, as you guys have seen. You go here in Mamo. They're very good, they're really helpful, and I think that's our boat right there. Yeah, anyways, we agreed with the captain that instead of going to Sanur, because it's like 5 hours, we're gonna go to Padang Bay, and then there's gonna be someone with like a private car that's gonna drive us to Ubud. So yeah, that's even better because it's only 2 hours from here, and I think the drive is like an hour, so total of 3 hours. And not only that, when we're in the car, we can, you know, we can relax because we can just sleep, and they actually drive us to our hotel, so not a problem at all. It's perfect. All right, so the boat is here. All right. Okay. What's going on?
It's here.
Okay. All right.
So don't forget to lock your bike.
Go.
I did it.
Oh.
Kay Mark to. Mahirap i-converse sa ano eh.
All right.
Kasi yung pag-video ko,
So they had an issue with their GoPro where for some reason it's losing charge. So whenever they're getting ready to do something, it's out of battery. It's weird. Anyways. There you go. Oh, someone's flying a kite. Look at that. Alright, here we go. This is our boat right here, guys. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, terima kasih. Alright, there. Bump, fist bump. Hey, yo. Thank you. Oh, cold.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Go.
Huwag sa may wave. Ayan.
Okay, karang.
Pag walang wave.
Yeah,
bye. Now, go.
Okay. No wave. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, gotta wash my head. I already learned it the hard way yesterday, where I was just walking and then whoa, look at that. Glass bottom. Most of their boats here have this thing here in the middle where it's glass bottom. Look at that. Okay. And of course, look at how clear the water is. Woo. There. This is Gili Meno, giliT. That's our island, and this is the island we're at right now. Look at that. Perfect. It's perfect. All right. Oh. There we go. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Oh my God! It's so good. Oh, they're leaving me, guys. They're leaving me.
Are you ready? Breakfast there.
We go there? Okay, let's go down. Alright guys, I hope you guys like that diving montage. Gili Meno. Boy here, hey, what's up? Yo, we're about to leave. We're about to head to the port now, and we have to get this carriage. Because don't have bikes anymore. We checked in the bikes on the near the hotel, and it's too far of a walk, and we're probably gonna be super tired if we just walk with all our baggage. So nice horse right there. Hey, maybe this is a thumbnail. What's up? What's up? Yeah, anyways, we're headed to the port now, about to leave for I think it's called Padangbay. Yeah, I think it's called Padangbay. That's the island, and we're gonna have like someone waiting for us there, like a car, and we're gonna go straight to our villa in Ubud. So if you guys like the video, you know what to do. Leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below. Where should we go next? Where should we go next? Hey? I don't know. Do let us know, and then we'll consider it. Okay, see you guys next time. Peace out.
Oh.